yeah, then Mr. PhD. I tell you that we doing this thing, we doing reenactments. We got enough letters. Every day we getting letters. And we done keep it raw. We done keep it Bajan. Name switch up. But I guarantee you, the situation real. The situation real. And this one here so that we gonna start with, right? We got a man like Selbert, 60 something, his wife Bertha. Then I got two young girls, Christina and Shakira. Let me see how they say on board.
Well, they can't all, but all they get, the very pretty fruit is me. I think tear that all. Something I got there for a woman here. Baby wants to see a little young thing here. Jeez, so you're a poor boy.
Who you holding at? Well, I understand it's a alright then.
Why am I in
Look
there?
at you. You want you pussy. That one? You mean to tell me every time I pass across the word that idiot is always showing me? I just can't do it here and I look so sick and nasty. These old men are very hot with the stuff, you know? But I can't do them at all. I cannot. I love me, my Mark. And my John Brown, look, they're so sweet. I got people Chris, woo, and he's driving a BMW. Don't mind if they father one, he's still sweet. Come girl, let me see what's going on. Alright. What you want?
Got a business proposition for you, Sugarness.
A business who? And a whore? You sure about this? Wait, let me just listen. What's your business proposition?
Just live here, my boy.
A myth? Mr. Kantara!
Boy, don't understand what we young.
No, can't on. I'm ready about this.
Extra money to 26. You get extra plus your paper.
Extra? How much is extra?
I can't downstairs there, no sweet girl. Finish that conversation.
I didn't really want to turn back, but as soon as he said a business proposition, I gotta tell you, I like money, I like things, I like bling, and once I hear that, I'd be ready to go.
I just like to be simple. I want what I want when the Lord say it's time to get it.
Look, I ain't care if that one Christina Vex or not. I like money. She can stop top down and poor, but don't tell you this one.
Sugar Bears, got some work here for man. Yeah, you want that extra money? Get your hair and nails done and things, sweet girl.
My nails already do.
I could do the extra money.
Like you saying about this and you're feeling
Just
right.
sweet now. But she's my best friend, so she gotta come with me. Which means she gotta get paid too. You understand?
Not easy.
Up on her trying to get some maids.
So we gotta take care of your wife too?
You just gotta cook and clean, sweet
Alright,
Sugarness.
so how much you paying me though?
When you want to start work?
Nah, we want money now.
Can we say that we call them money details about when the PM man?
Can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no birds you can't see. Said I'm a motherfucking P.H.D.
Wait, what you doing?
Two little young skepticals that I see, boy. You see them skepticals? They ain't easy. I barely tell you woman that got a little job for she account with money. No! Come on, man. I barely had $20 in my pocket and I had to get shit out of there. And I don't want to get those things. Come on, man, boy.
You believe we gonna pay there and that man me $20, so I have to stay straight. They coming back tomorrow for the rest of my money.
And he's got a drop from my money. I reckon that's all sport.
But anyways, this is what happened with me. He wanted to give me $250 a week. He mad and he got to support my friend. So he said he can give me $500 at the end of the week each.
Can't pay all that money for nothing. Never. Can't happen. They can get the nails done. I think easy. But they gotta work for me money.
So he said he give me a little extra. I gotta tell my best friend because she was real stupid talking about how long she don't want nobody money. She want to owe my honor. She just saying that somebody else, so she still want the money. I sick of her for too long. But anyways, let me tell you. So after that, he touched my backside and think I'm with Selbert. I can't even put that out, just a touch backside because I got my real man, my real dog. Let me tell you. But anyways, I'm gonna do what I gotta do because that one Christina, she is a freak. You hear what I tell you? A freak. But that's still my boo, that's still my best friend. Don't get me wrong.
Do it anyway.
Morning, girl.
Morning.
Off shoes.
But you heard me some morning?
Yeah, so.
Yeah, so what we really gotta do though?
Well, right now we can together about Robin thing, do you?
So we're really here for?
I don't know, man. You can do breakfast. You can make food.
For who?
Me and my wife right now though. So I don't know if you want to get in the kitchen and start saying.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. Like your friend. Let's go so that. That's all. Yeah.
Let me tell you something. To see your best friend is be your worst enemy. I can't understand how she want cut and things for these old people. But if this old man want to have sex with her, I see feeling she up and thing, and I don't like that sort of kind of vibe, and I keep on asking if she's sure about this here. But it seems like she know what's going on and she want this here. She ain't care. That ain't a friend to be walking both ways. They have to start walking with her. But you know what? If I could get a piece of she money along with my money, that would be good.
Bertha.
Yes, Selbert.
What you want for breakfast?
Yeah, you know what I like to eat, Sarah. I like my yams and my okras. I have any eddies out there? Any sweet potatoes?
She got them things, they got the new maize there working.
You know what I like to eat and you know how I like to eat it. But make sure that them two young things and they cook my food properly.
Ain't cut for you good, man.
I hear you.
Yeah, honey. Sugar bird. What are you making there for me?
This new thing that we call all time.
You know the way if you want some headers and things? Yeah, what you in there doing?
We cooking now?
Let's make sure it's some ground provisions for the wife and me.
Alright, no problem. No problem.
Alright.
We got it covered. Hot.
No, cold.
Hot.
I tell you cold.
I say hot.
No, I say it must be cold.
No.
No, do it like sushi.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I said Swiss made I think all fancy. So
we just gotta pick it though.
Huh? It's true.
Yeah.
Wait. So wait, we gotta get this seasoning. Open it up. Open that. Let me put it
So when must I do it with Selbert don't like me?
It's true, but I don't know how to open seasoning. So then we just
these fingernails say why we can't open it.
look. So we gonna put it in between here, look. Right?
No, put it the long way. I tell you.
In between. In between. My girl, I know these things.
So wait, we ain't cut the lines yet.
But you could cut the line. Let me season up the thing.
So wait, this is salt here, right?
Yes.
This is brand new salt. Can I old people,
My
girl?
girl, them soon dead anyways.
What piss in my pocket? You believe, right, that this young girl Shakira in this interview with me, she tell me that them is do hot dogs and with lime and salt and seasoning up, I think. She's call it one ghetto escargot. Well. She said she's call it ghetto escargot. What be a ghetto you come from though?
Wait, girl. We ain't wash we hand, girl.
Wash your hand up. What don't kill this fat in here?
But you want to get these open put germs over?
Look, them already look nasty ready. So it don't matter.
Girl, you're so right.
Wait, it's obvious why you not interested in heat.
So you only want 2 pieces of lime?
No, girl, use all of the lime.
Wait, what you really doing though? You make all of this lime and all of this salt?
Oh my girl, yes. I tell you, I used to watch TV, girl. That means be using up the salt and the lime like wow.
But wait, so since you don't care, how you doing to stay right pretty?
I telling you, because I can't pay enough money, girl, you hear extra. Shoot, like take myself.
That girl is supposed to be messed it up because I don't like Selbert.
I don't know what's your problem. The man pick. Look, how you think nails get them, my girl? Mac can't sport, Selbert.
Selbert do my nails, girl.
Why no marking?
You want me to pick out these seeds over this thing?
Give these seeds good for you to say. If you eat the seeds, you'll be live longer.
Yeah, sugar birds. When they done doing that for yet?
Coming.
You hungry in here, girl?
Put the salt on the lime right.
It don't matter. I just do it up fast. Cause I really don't understand what we're like y'all watching TV. Got that old man on TV.
Yeah, I can put some ketchup on top of the lime.
Yes, girl, that's pull. Let me tell you. So
Yes.
so.
Wait, how much ketchup?
It don't matter. That I love taste, you know, the sweetness. I ain't gonna tell you.
All the salt right?
Yeah, of course, but make sure you put little.
So wait, so squeeze it right now?
Yes, it will go into the creases.
This thing is this real hard.
Them is all like that. Ooh. Don't tell her because she's sleeping.
Wait. We gonna pour all this stuff here.
It's true. He real hot when he sells, so put it on.
Big girl, how much?
Don't matter. It can roll in like a sauce.
All we have to do now is give it some presentation and make it look pretty, pretty, pretty girl.
It's true. I learned this at school. Right? How many biscuits do?
I want to know what you're doing with them young girls in here.
Them just in here to help you and me. Got them in here to help we cut, girl.
Help me cut. And you think you're smart, you know, you think that I playing with you, you know. To help me, you want to make me feel that them to help me, but them is to really help you. I tell you.
You can't even help yourself, woman.
I know you can't help. I can help myself till I came to burst a little ass in here, though. You feel that I playing with you. Let me look at you, though. Let me show you that I ain't joking with you, right?
Woman, don't procrastinate me so, girl.
Let me show you something here, so. Yes. You think that I play with you, me catch you around any of them young girls. You see that? Wait a minute, you see this here? Got this for you.
To all, girl. To all, woman.
To all, I can show you,
To
though.
all.
I can show you.
Let me rest your ass.
Alright.
Can't touch you, man.
Look, come on, you eat all asses food here. Here?
You could eat it.
No, you do it.
Alright, man.
The ass is down there.
Breakfast.
And the woman got trees in the photo.
So the first day this man sent me to cook tomatoes and sweet potato. I don't even know what that is. If he sent me fat, I would have gone. So instead, we get a pack of hot dogs. And then that one time, I tell she to make our friend. We never had a little argument and whatever. But you ain't know that the product cereal that you could eat this raw just so the product in this package is fully cooked. So we give him it fully cooked. You didn't have to heat it nor nothing.
It looks so raw too. Is this it?
Breakfast.
What's that you bring for yourself, Bert?
I don't understand. Is this thing here so it ain't raw? Look.
That young girls you like, man, that you like.
I ain't even cooked nor anything.
Escargot don't be cooked. Just taste it.
I ain't eating this though. I get sick.
But if you don't want, you might plate.
Bertha can't eat this food.
What's that she brought for yourself, Bert?
Santa kill you. And harboring flies though. You get us all the garbage? Trying to kill the poor old man. Even got no oats there, so this nonsense. Bertha,
What's that, Bert?
got some poison for you.
What's that?
I got some poison for you.
Don't talk under your voice, you know. You know I can't see, but I can hear well. I can hear well. Give it young boy.
I got some grown provision here, so that.
I don't want no pot together, nothing, Selbert, man. I don't want none of that food, nothing that you and your horse cook, man, Selbert. Bring my teeth for me, man.
What to say that?
I said don't want it.
Green banana.
It's a thing, man. I can't. What is?
Green banana.
I'm not like dog shite. Why you flies after it? So what is that? What are you going to eat it, Selbert?
After you. If they call that food, Lord come for me now. I don't understand why that. These young girls nowadays, all they could do is ramming and find themselves in KFC and Chafet. Piece of thing that they bring on in there, kill me. It's just the scent alone. God, man. I know they take one that she got those scents, right? You see it on? I know for sure she's burning ramming. And still, just so, boy, water and all, she's burning. Never again will eat from them, but a little more tatty low. No, we eat that already, course. Come and get this food for me, let me get a back rub or sand for you, sugar bird.
Wait, what happened to you? You don't
Sugar
want to
this.
eat?
Fair front, me do. Yeah, I want back rub and down there, right? What we can do here now is get you a good doctor with this girl so I can get me sugar bird. Oh boy. See it work my hurricane though. Right, yeah. Got some errands for she to run. Yo. What the loss?
You sure that man came out anytime soon?
I'll tell you so, they came out anytime soon, them gone to doctor and thing, girl. Oh, loss. You finished with it, don't you?
Alright, well, hurry up quick, before they come back, man.
Can't handle this tongue, though. This is none of these young boys' tongues.
Yeah. Right there. Ooh, that's a spot, boo. Yeah.
Let me take a selfie.
Yeah, boo. Yeah, Hurricane, yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on. See this whole faking thing? I mean, she acting a thing, right? But this gonna get it in one. It make me think that, wait. Women that be faking it so for real? Or the women that be faking it and fake it at some point in time. Put a hand in the air, let me see what's going on. Jeez, boy. Man, we in trouble.
Yeah. That's the spot. Right there, baby.
Wait, no, tell you. Huh? Can't handle this hurricane tongue, girl.
Anyways, I can see what I got in the kitchen to cook for the old high get home and start to get home.
Jeez, oh boy, hurricane Selbert strike again, boy. I feel like 20 now. Yeah, boy, I can't wait to get on Shakira around, boy. I know she's gonna play like a game, boy.
Yo, that man Selbert is just gross me out. The only thing that's keep me stable is the money.
You see when I get there, you just wanna... I had let ignore she the dripping from head to toe. Everything was wet when she wet. Just when I get down there.
Every minute he done this, so keep it real. That's not something feel like I want to vomit every minute, yeah. And all I gotta do is say, yeah, baby, look.
Shh, even when they're done, I ain't gonna tell you what she did so. She can't still, man. I'm gonna tell you, hurricane back again.
I be studying my edamame, Marla. I'm gonna tell you, I be focusing like you real out. I mean, he be messaging and things, he be sending pictures of my breasts and all that. So, every minute, Selbert, don't pay your pussy all the time, so don't be happy. Oh my god, the money. That's all I gotta put in my head is the money. Cause if, right, I feel like I'm going mad in this place.
Hello?
I got something to tell you.
What?
Don't freak out. Alright, so you know the other day when Selbert sent you out with Bertha?
Yeah, that awful day. But I love Bertha.
You love Bertha?
She's okay.
Anyways, so remember when, like, you know, when he was telling me about, you know, that thing, yeah, you know?
What thing you mean? The business? The work?
Yeah, the extra money that we'd be getting and thing.
Yeah, what about it?
So, I let Selbert eat me.
You do what?
Don't freak out. It wasn't really nothing.
Oh yeah,
Cause you know.
I ain't gonna freak out. So what exactly happened?
Girl, you know it wasn't that. Anyway, I washed it with blue soap so I got it clean.
But suppose Selbert got something.
I just tell you, I washed with blue soap. My girl, that's worth for everything. You wanna see that one I got
You
it?
can't be serious. You can't be serious. Oh my god. So wait. So how do you think Bertha gonna feel about this?
Bertha can hardly even see, and I don't care.
Here, you know this so that when people can't see this, can hear better.
Well, then you would just make sure that you let me know when she can. You know, cause you put my phone, my girl.
So wait, so that actually feel good?
I did not have any feeling, and that's not because I got all mad.
I feel it's because of that, you know.
You wanna piss me off?
Why would it piss you off?
Christina, I gone. Goodbye.
Hello? Shakira, are you there? I bring one Bertha so that she could either hear, see, whatever, which one that she lost, no pun, whatever. So she could know what's going on in here. But honestly, I can be real honest. I want Shakira cash and I want my cash. I don't want Shakira to get no money. Cause I do all the work. I ain't really care about Shakira. And that's part of it, right? But you know, I just gotta let Bertha know what's going on. I would like if Bertha just say, you know what? Sweet girl, let me just go on the bank and take off some money and give it to you and forget about Shakira.
Yo.
Extra right? Yeah.
Yo.
You hear that?
Yes. I can hear something.
Yeah, boo, right there. Yeah. That's the spot, boo. Yeah. Yeah, boo. Right there. That's the spot.
Selbert! Selbert, what is it you doing in there?
Yeah. Yeah. That's the spot. Right there.
Yeah, what's going on in here?
Oh my god, I can't believe it. You serious, girl? Oh my god, oh my god.
Where you going?
What are you doing? Come on.
Are you Selbert? I tell you. Come on. No, stop for me. You're not to. You're not.
Really and truly, right? I don't hate old people because you're always supposed to respect elders, but that old man had me so cruel.
Honestly, I don't understand. I don't understand why that had happened to me. I was just being a good person. I can't be so mad.
You see, first and first, I know that she could hardly see, so I don't know how she pick at anything. But anyways, I feel it's that one Christina that went talking my name with that old man, cause really truly don't come back so early because them is good tongue and them is good bank and all that, and so she is a bare stinking bitch.
Yes, talk to me. Talk to me.
Dominus, I was thinking half I got for a husband. And he always with these young girls. I had to get in these when she gone now. Now he bring these two things. I don't know what it's called them. Cooking something with seasoning. I don't even know. Dominus, I something years old. I can't even remember my age.
And he's your age, he's your own age too.
He's yes. And he always be these young girls before he try and take care of me himself. And he bring these two girls and I come home and find the two of them, Dominus, in my couch.
What he
Where's
doing?
on rest my head.
What he doing in your couch?
He gave me my hurricane town.
Oh, your hurricane town.
Yes, my hurricane town.
Oh.
Dominus, but I didn't get it back though.
Mm.
I didn't get it back. They're too cute. Why not tell you so?
I would never bring Sharon no more on my man. You believe I just bring all my man and make sure that when I put Santa will eat that hungry dog this get. I'm gonna tell you, I done with she. And that was Selbert. He better give me my last pay and extra money.
Bertha Brecker, everybody both there. Right now she got Selbert living from rum shop to rum shop because she ain't want him both in house no more. Shakira, she's still doing she thing. This whole you are like 25 years of marriage to them just for Sugar Bird and a little roti pokey. Ja boy. Anyhow, we out till we doing next letter. More hype, more action. We keeping it Bajan and everything happen and it happened for real.